Tottori is a very beautiful prefecture. The Tottori prefecture has a great nature along the sea of Japan. We call our prefecture the capital of food. We are very proud of our specialty. Sand dunes is a very special point. You feel wide and great nature there. Tottori is kingdom of manga. Please come to meet Kanan and Kitaros. Mount Daisen is just like shape of Mount Fuji. It will be like the Alps in Europe. At the same time, this Mount Daisen provides a very, very productive field for farmers. The pear is very, very famous. We farm pears for around 100 years. So nowadays, very popular species of new pear called Shinkansen, because we don't have Shinkansen to run in this prefecture. So, but the Shinkansen is very sweet as mango. Crab is our specialty because the fishery amount is the most in Japan. The season of this snow crab is from November to March. The season of red crab is from September through June. Matsuba crab is the most popular crab in Japanese people. The season is quite limited from November to March. So almost all season we can enjoy the crab in this prefecture. You can easily enjoy lovely crabs here. The Tottori prefecture is birthplace of Wagyu. The beginning of creating a special Wagyu began from Tottori prefecture. The very, very famous Wagyu is Kedaka, and secondly, Eiko. This Kedaka is the ancestor of almost all Wagyus in Japan. Winter season will be interesting for you. We have a ski resort here and snowy area. But autumn and spring, we do have a cherry blossom or fall leaves, very beautiful season. So please come to Tottori prefecture and enjoy our atmosphere, a very, very Japanese atmosphere.